Ano naman ang National Healthcare Shield? Ito ay HMO-type product issued by Kaiser International Health Group and it's compliant with IC Circular 2017-19 guidelines on the approval of HMO products and forms na nire-require ng DBM para gamitin ang ating 7,000 medical allowance. Ito ay may coverage na 12 months at may benefits ito sa high-risk cases such as pregnant women, senior citizens, or persons with disabilities or PWDs. Kasama po sa benefits nito ang pre- and postnatal check-up. Covered po nito age 18 to 65. So para sa ating senior at co-cover nito ang ating pre-existing illnesses subject of course to exclusions and limitations. Ang ibig sabihin ng 18 to 65, younger than 65 and 6 months at the time of enrollment. Meron ditong 5-point health card benefits na inpatient benefit, outpatient benefit, emergency care benefit, may annual physical exam kasama ng preventive care benefit, at meron din tayong dental benefit. Sa guidelines ng Department of Education na nagbigay ng mas strictong qualification o requirements para sa HMO, sinabi na kailangan ng benefits for high-risk cases such as pregnant women, senior citizens, or persons with disabilities. Moreover, the HMO coverage shall be for a period of 12 months. At sinabi rin, kasama doon sa requirements na may inpatient benefit, outpatient benefit, emergency care benefit, annual physical exam, and dental benefit. So parang dinescribe eksakto yung ating National Healthcare Shield na bagay sa mga teachers at saka employees ng Department of Education. Pero hindi lang yung 5-point health card benefit, pero rin po tayong financial care assistance para sa members ng National Healthcare Shield.